doing the whole focus on yourself kind of thing. It's very difficult. Feeling very girly today. I am wearing pink, and this looks like a robe. It's actually a dress. I'll link it down below because I don't know what the brand is. I am wearing this Sunbum lip tint, the pink one, on my lips. And I'm going for a really natural look today. I've kind of actually gone off of foundation, and I am starting to not wear foundation. That's just because my skin's really good and I'm like, hey, look at my skin. I also feel like I follow a bunch of pregnant YouTubers and I'm like, oh, they're going all natural, like it's my turn. Not wearing my necklace because I got the most luxe body scrub yesterday, so I took it off for that. But I got it at the Hammam Spa in Toronto, and it's coming out in June. I might make like a blog post of my favorite spa treatments, but it was luxe. It was like the Salah body treatment. I don't know, it was amazing. Okay, so let's just get into it. I ran out of coffee, espresso coffee, so I'm drinking a hazelnut one. Not a huge hazelnut coffee person. Okay, so today I did a poll on my Instagram. If you guys aren't following me on Instagram, you should. My Instagram username is Allegra Shaw. Very easy. This is how I like ask you guys questions. I connect with you. I answer most of my DMs. Like I try to answer as many as I can. I'm really active on Instagram, so if you want to like connect with me and kind of be part of like my little community, Instagram is definitely the way to go. I also have Twitter, and I do a lot of my Q&As and stuff on Twitter. So I'm watching my own story, oh my God. I asked you guys on Instagram if you would rather see a what I eat in a day or a summer bod routine, and summer bod routine 1. I will do what I eat in a day as well, but I'll just probably do it later. So this is my summer bod routine. People are like, what the fuck is that? I don't know, I do. It's basically like what I'm doing to get in shape for summer. Just little things that I add. I've done a few like, weight loss tips and like stuff like that, but I feel like this is what I do when I know summer is like right around the corner. I do want to preface this video by saying I have been working out and eating healthily for, I've been working out since first year university, so since 2012, consistently, and then, I eat pretty healthily consistently since I graduated university. Definitely didn't eat healthy in university. That's why I didn't say any what I eat days during that time, because I was like, oh, pasta? Oh, drinking? Oh. So my first tip is to work out. Like, come on, that's just the first tip. Has to be. So my workout routine, in the winter, it's cold, it's dark, I don't go to the gym as often. That's just life. I do a lot of like at-home workouts, so I'm not lifting, weights and stuff as much. But so my workout routine leading up to summer is I lift heavy weights for my booty like 1 to 2 times a week. So that's like a full leg and booty workout. I have a few of those on my channel if you want to check those out. And then I also, with those days, will do like my full complete like ab workout. So those 2 days a week, I'm like really pushing it at the gym. I'm really busy now, so getting to the gym and working out has definitely become harder. When I first graduated university or when I was in university, I just had way more time, so I could spend like, an hour and a half a day at the gym, but like, it's just not feasible right now with my work schedule. So I try to get as much exercise as I can in, but I'm not like beating myself up every day if I can't go. That's just like my life right now. I hope that, when I get, I just hope that one day I can go back in the gym and spend an hour and a half, like I love that. That's just life right now. So I make sure that I go to the gym like 2 times a week and really like push it with the weights. I also try to up my cardio a lot while I'm working out. For the summer, I try to like cut down, so cardio will like help you cut, walking on an incline, sprints. That's kind of what I switch up between. And then I also do lean muscle building workouts. So I've really incorporated this in my workout because since I can't go to the gym all the time, I do at-home workouts. So I have like a whole set over here, and it's just a really thick yoga mat. I have like 8-pound weights and like 3-pound weights. I have a bunch of different resistance bands, and I just kind of have like a whole setup so that when I can't go to the gym, I can work out at home. I do YouTube video workouts. My favorite workouts are, I don't really stray that much, so I can't say that I've tried like a ton, but my friend Bailey, Project Summer Body, she lives in Australia. She does workouts like on the beach, and I feel pain after them, and I'm like pretty strong, but these workouts definitely work muscles that I'm not used to working out, so I love that. I think she has really good options, and they're pretty short, so they're like 15 minutes. So sometimes, you know, if I'm feeling frisky, I'll do 2 of them. So I'll do like the fat burning one and the booty building one, or like the arm one and whatever. So I do work out 5 times a week, 2 times for sure in the gym, 5 times kind of in the gym, kind of at home. Really depends on the week. The first thing is working out and starting a workout routine. That's my current workout routine. Build whatever you can. If you can go to the gym 5 days a week, I'm jealous. Good for you. Number 2, again, this is really classic, eating healthy. I have a lot of videos on tips to like kind of not like trick yourself to eating healthy, but like different like weight loss tips. I already said that. They'll be like down below or in the cards. But tips that I've just been like doing recently are when I get I've been eating out a lot just because of travel schedules and, you know, life right now. I'm getting my life back together from traveling so much, and I just have no food. So when I get my food, I always fill up on my greens first. So if it comes with a salad, I'll eat the salad first to kind of fill up on that before I go into my other foods. Eating low calorie but high density foods that kind of fill up your stomach is a great tip. I actually follow this girl on Instagram who has really great food tips. Her Instagram is Meow Mix. So she has a lot of like great things to switch out. I don't know if you can see this, but like, you know, instead of having that, have that. Instead of eating that, eat that. So that's a great, you know, if you're kind of confused with food, like I feel like everyone is, that's a great one. Number 3 is a good nutrient-packed morning smoothie. I do this in all my What I Eat in a Days. I have a smoothie recipe on my blog that I love, and it's just filled with like protein and vitamins and nutrients and minerals, and it's just like jam-packed with stuff. So if I drink one of those in the morning, I feel like, all right, I got everything I needed to get in for today, and everything else after this is kind of like a breeze. So I really, really love a good protein nutrient-packed smoothie in the morning. It kind of like kickstarts my day. Okay, number 3, and I think this is something that's very overlooked by a lot of people when they're looking to, you know, get in shape, is taking care of your gut health. I've been doing this since I saw my naturopath when I lived at my parents' house, because I have a lot of stomach problems. I had a lot of acne, and my skin has just, oh, let me tell you, my skin is just beautiful. But taking a probiotic, a prebiotic, a digestive enzyme daily will really help you, you know, flatten your stomach, make you feel good, help food digest better, not bloat, all those things that just suck. So that is like critical part of my health routine, gut health. Number 4, the most annoying tip in the whole world is drink water. And I know everyone hates this, but honestly, life-changing. When you start drinking the amount of water that you should be drinking, life-changing. You don't feel like shit when you wake up in the morning. Yes, you have to pee every 5 seconds, but it is worth it. Like, your stomach doesn't hurt as much. You don't get headaches. Like, everything that was like wrong with me was to do with like my gut and my water intake for sure. My skin has cleared up so much since I've been drinking. I thought I was drinking a lot of water before, but like I just wasn't drinking enough. Like drinking 2, you know, 500 milliliter bottles a day just wasn't good enough for me. So I got this app. Again, I'm gonna go to my phone. This app called My Water. There's a ton of different ones, but like this was the first one on the app list. This one gives you a reminder on when you should drink water, because obviously if you just like wake up in the morning and drink, you know, 2.5 liters of water, that's not how water intake works. So you need to like obviously keep drinking water throughout the day. So I have mine set to 2.5 liters a day of water, and I try to hit that. So you can add a drink, and you can see like, you can add like a bunch of different drinks. So water, coffee, and then it'll tell you like how much water intake you got from that drink. And then also drinking wine or like alcohol, it'll lower your water intake, so you know how to make up for the water that you lost in drinking that alcohol. So I really like that water app. That really keeps me on track, and since having that, a lot better. I don't even really track my water anymore, but when it's the reminders, and 1 second. I live in a building, so when someone knocks my door, really, again, I live in a building, so when people knock my door, it really freaks me out. Anyway, and then number 5 is actually self-tan. Self-tanning is like the easiest way to like look slimmer and I think feel more confident. I always tell people when they're shopping for bathing suits and stuff, have a nice tan on, and like have your makeup and hair done, because you're just gonna feel better about yourself. There's a ton of different tans, Loving Tan, Bondi Sands, Bali Body, they all have like tans that you can, or Saint-Tropez, whatever works for you is good. Always use a tanning mitt, or you're gonna have orange hands, or you can get a spray tan in Toronto. Sunday Organic and Be Loved Tan are my favorites. So check them out if you want. Everything will be linked down below. But having a tan on just, you know, makes you look slimmer. You know, it's like a 30-minute weight loss and toning miracle. It's crazy how I think my body looks like way better when I have a tan on. I feel way more confident when I have a tan, all that stuff. So having a tan on, I think, is just a really great way to feel and look better. But yeah, that's it. Those are my 5 tips for my summer bod routine. That's what I'm doing to get in shape for the summer. That's what I'm doing to feel good and look good and feel all summery. So yeah, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to follow me on Instagram so you can join my Insta fam. Subscribe if you haven't already. I put out a lot of fashion videos and health videos and lifestyle videos, and I feel like I have a really good community. So if you want to join, you can subscribe. Anyway, thanks for watching. Love you all. Peace and love. Bye.